To be prepared for My Real Source's social media marketing class, you want to have all your accounts created and properly set up ahead of time. Most of the class covers management of these accounts, but also strategies for building a brand and lead capture. This video will cover the basic creation of a Facebook business page, an Instagram account, as well as a Twitter account. The first account we're going to create is a Facebook business page. Currently, we are on my personal page. So first you are going to select the Create button at the top right corner of your Facebook tabs next to your profile name, home, and then Create. This gives you the option to create a new page, run an ad on an existing business page, or create an event on an existing personal page. Once you have selected Create, select Page. You'll have to decide which profile fits your needs. For most independent agents looking to build a brand, build reach in a web presence, attract new clients, and turn out content for the general buyer or seller, the business or brand page profile is best and what is most relevant to our class content. However, if you're an organization, a charity, small business tied to a local business, or a known public figure in the community or public figure page is another option. So I am going to select Business and Brand Profile and title the page My Name. And I'm either going to title it Real Estate Professional, Real Estate Agent, Real Estate Broker, but some agents also choose their brokerage name as well, like John Smith of ABC Realty. Please remember all these variables that you have to keep in mind when naming your page. So in terms of your name, you're going to want that to carry out throughout all your web presence and social media accounts. You'll also choose a category. I chose Real Estate Agent. And then also fill in the address as to where your license is held. Please keep in mind, based on what you name your page, that Facebook does go through a screening process if you are to change your name of your page to accurately protect the identity of businesses, brands, organizations, and it can either get denied or be a window for an approval process. So just keep all of this in mind when you are naming your page. Fill in your address and then an optional phone number. Obviously, you want to make it easy for people to reach out to you, so you would fill in a phone number. It'll take a second to load and register, and then you walk through these widgets to finalize the steps in your account, such as your contact information, your address, profile photo, cover photos. I'm going to skip that so you can see here's a cover photo option. And then from here, you can go in and you can go to the About section in your page. And this is where you can edit any of the contact information, categories, page names, add your website, email address that you would like to be reached out to. So this is the whole setup process for your business page. And this has to be prepared and ready ahead of time before class. So the second account that we're going to create is an Instagram account. If you have a personal Instagram, there is an option for you to add an account to your business page, a business page account already on the app, or you can just add more accounts or link more accounts to the app that you have already installed on your phone. We're on a web browser to create a new account from scratch because it's easier to show the steps, and honestly what I recommend that you guys should do anyways. So having the option to add more accounts to a personal account allows you to switch that management from your phone, from your personal page to your business Instagram page without having to uninstall the app or have multiple apps on your phone, or they just have it all on one for you, so it's really easy. But it's very similar to Facebook in the setting up of a separate page, but it's also different. You don't have to have a personal page to have an Instagram business page. And it's different in the sense that you have to have an email that's unique from your personal Instagram. Where Facebook, you are under the umbrella of your personal page, and then a sub page is your business page. This is a completely separate account, and then you link them later. So to save some time, I went to Instagram.com. I went to the sign up option, and I added an email address that is unique from my personal Instagram account. I have my page name of what I want my Instagram page name to be. And then your username has to also be unique. So you might kind of have to play around with this because sometimes usernames can already be taken, but you want it to be something similar to your page so that it's easy for people to tag you or communicate with you. And then set your password. And then click sign up. Like I mentioned earlier, you can link your new business page to your personal account after it's created. So here's a screenshot of that. I'm under the My Real Source business page, and then you'll see an option to drop down, and that's where you can add more accounts. And upon signing up, you can also just log in through your Facebook page, which allows you to have all of them under your Facebook account, but there is a way to link your Instagram profile, your business profile, to your business page in the settings, which is covered in the class, so that when you are running an ad on Facebook, your ad also carries over on Instagram. And the last account that we're going to create for class is Twitter. Some people use Twitter as a combo of personal and business, and we'll talk about the pros and cons of that in class, and then you can decide what's best for you and how you plan to use Twitter. But for this video, we are going to create a Twitter account from scratch, as if you do not have a Twitter account currently created. So first you will visit twitter.com and click the sign up button. From there, it's going to ask you for your page name and a phone, or you can use an email instead. This is all up to you and your personal preference. And then you will follow the steps from there. And it is a 4-step process, basically asking for your photo similar to Facebook and your cover photo similar to Facebook, a little bio, and a Twitter handle, which is basically a username that has to be unique to your account so people can tag you. So same exact thing. You have 1 of 4 steps. You're going to walk through that, and that account will be created. So lastly, before you attend this class, make sure that you have finalized these profiles in the creation, but also take the time to add a photo, a cover photo, a little sentence or two about a bio, so that you're not distracted if you are completely new to social media and you see other accounts that have already been set up. You're not distracted and bogged down by that, because we want you to be able to gain valuable information from a page management standpoint, navigation standpoint, marketing strategies, and ad management, not just rekeying in basic information that you could do on your own time in your profiles. So please do your best to set these up, walk through these widgets, upload your photos, add that information, and write down your logins and passwords for Facebook, Twitter, and your Instagram, because you're going to be logging in on a computer and you want to be able to have this be the most seamless process as possible, so that you are able to take away a lot of valuable information from our unique social media marketing class at My Real Source. So we look forward to having you, and we'll see you soon.